guys, in this lecture you'll learn the best way to use this course whether you're a beginner or a more experienced WordPress user. Let's get started. Now the first thing that you're going to see is the course outline to the right. Now if you are a beginner, I strongly suggest that you start off in the introduction area and go all the way to the end of the course. We're gonna show you all the way from choosing a hosting, whether that's with Bluehost or a free alternative, to creating a professionally designed and optimized website. So in the first part, in the introduction area, we're going to be installing the theme, getting the hosting and setting all of the basics. Next up, we're going to go through the actual dashboard of WordPress, including the Gutenberg editor. And then we're going to be installing all of the mandatory plugins, including securing your site, backing up your site, and speed optimizing your website. Now, if you are a more experienced WordPress user, you can go ahead and skip these three sections. But if you are a complete beginner, I strongly recommend that you go through them all. Next up, we're going to protect your website from the legal aspects of collecting customers' information to make sure that you're not fined by the GDPR law. We're gonna do this by using things such as a privacy policy and a terms and conditions policy. And if we click on this section and we look to the right here, these are known as resource maps. Now in these maps, you're going to find all of the resources included in the course. And we're going to provide you with templates to make sure that this complicated topic becomes very simple. Next up, we're gonna learn the psychology of the different pages and what you need in them. Now, if you are an experienced WordPress user and you already know the psychology behind the pages and why you're using the pages, I strongly suggest that you start off with designing with Elementor. This is where we truly make the website look professional. Then we're going to be designing our homepage in every little detail, every little button, and the reason behind those choices. You'll learn how to properly optimize your website, use templates and customizations, add in a shop to your website, make a full-time living off of blogging, including 30 blogging post templates, learn all of the fundamentals of SEO, dive deeper into search engine optimizations to rank using keyword research, content ideas. We're gonna learn how to set up Google Analytics, and we're also going to learn how to optimize all of the content we'll be writing for our business or as a full-time or part-time blogger. Finally, we're going to go through backlinks and then the next step to take from here. Now, if you have any questions whatsoever as you're going through this course, you can always contact us and we will reply to you within 24 hours. There's the premium coaching that's included in this course. Simply go through the Q&A section down here, search for your question to see if it's already been asked, and if it hasn't been, you click on Ask a New Question, and in here you write the question itself, and then you describe the problem and we will answer you within 24 hours. And as you go along the course, you'll also be able to use bookmarks. Now, bookmarks allows you to bookmark wherever you are on any specific lecture. All you need to do is click on this Add Bookmark button. It's going to add a bookmark. You write a comment about it, hit enter, and it's going to be displayed in the bookmark section right here. Click on it and it's going to take you directly to that point in the lecture. To the right of bookmarks, we have announcement. In here, we will be announcing all of our updates and all of our expansions as we make sure to always keep all of our courses up to date always. And finally, if the course is going too fast or too slow for you, all you need to do is go down to the playback rate box here, click on it, and you can increase the speed or you can decrease the speed to your own liking. Now finally, this is a complete masterclass course on WordPress and on SEO. Whether you are a business owner, a freelancer, a upcoming hobbyist blogger, or a full-time blogger, there will be something for you in here. If you're a complete beginner, go through the entire course from beginning to end. If you are a more experienced user, then go to the section that will apply to you. Start from there, and if you have any questions whatsoever, we will be in the Q&A. See you in the next lecture, guys.